Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Physics Hub Official. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important multiple choice questions on the Indian Constitution. Start with historical development and creation of Indian Constitution. Question number 1. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by whom? Option A. Prominent leaders of the Congress Party. Option B. Universal suffrage. Option C. British government. Option D. Provincial legislatures. The correct answer is option D. Provincial legislatures. Question number 2. Who among the following was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A. K. M. Munshi. Option B. Gopal Das. Option C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Option D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is option D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 3. Under which act was the central legislature made of two houses? Option A. Indian Councils Act, 1909. Option B. Government of India Act, 1935. Option C. Government of India Act, 1919. Option D. Government of India Act, 1947. The correct answer is option C. Government of India Act, 1919. Question number 4. After how many years, approximately, of debates, the Constitution of India was signed? Option A. 5 years. Option B. 4 years. Option C. 2 years. Option D. 3 years. The correct answer is option D. 3 years. Now, we are going to see the various sources of the Indian Constitution. Question number 1. The idea of social, economic and political justice in the preamble of the Indian Constitution was influenced by the constitution of which country? Option A. Russia, or the former USSR. Option B. France. Option C. America. Option D. Japan. The correct answer is option A. Russia, or the former USSR. Question number 2. The provision of impeachment of the President in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of option A. Canada. Option B. United States of America. Option C. France. Option D. Britain. The correct answer is option B. United States of America. Question number 3. The concept of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of option A. France. Option B. Ireland. Option C. Britain. Option D. United States of America. The correct answer is option D. United States of America. Question number 4. Which of the following features of the Constitution of India is derived from the Government of India Act, 1935? Option A. Joint sitting of both houses of Parliament. Option B. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency. Option C. Federal scheme. Option D. Idea of republic. The correct answer is option C. Federal scheme. Question number 5. Legislative procedure in the Indian Constitution has been taken from which country? Option A. Australia. Option B. Ireland. Option C. United Kingdom. Option D. Japan. The correct answer is option C. United Kingdom. Question number 6. The concept of rule of law, included in the Indian Constitution, is taken from which foreign constitution? Option A. United States of America. Option B. Germany. Option C. Former USSR. Option D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is option D. UK. Question number 7. From which of the following countries has the principle of advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court been adopted in the Constitution of India? Option A. USA. Option B. Germany. Option C. Canada. Option D. South Africa. The correct answer is option C. Canada. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the source of the Indian Constitution? Option A. Constitution of Denmark. Option B. Constitution of France. Option C. Constitution of Ireland. Option D. Constitution of USA. The correct answer is option C. Constitution of Ireland. Question number 9. The directive principles of state policy of the Indian Constitution are taken from Option A, Constitution of France. Option B, Constitution of Canada. Option C, Constitution of Ireland. Option D, Constitution of Germany. The correct answer is Option C, Constitution of Ireland. Question number 10. The Republican feature of the Indian Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of which country? Option A, French Constitution. Option B, British Constitution. Option C, Canadian Constitution. Option D, Irish Constitution. The correct answer is Option A, French Constitution. Question number 11. Which of the following constitutions inspired the law-making process India? Option A, Constitution of America. Option B, Constitution of Britain. Option C, Constitution of Ireland. Option D, Constitution of Canada. The correct answer is Option B, Constitution of Britain. Question number 12. The concept of public litigation originated in Option A, Switzerland. Option B, Iceland. Option C, USA. Option D, Australian Constitution. The correct answer is Option C, USA. Question number 13. The inspiration for adopting the parliamentary form of government by the makers of the Constitution of India was drawn from Option A, Britain. Option B, Japan. Option C, Switzerland. Option D, United States of America. The correct answer is Option A, Britain. So, these were the important MCQs on the various sources of the Indian Constitution. How many did you get correct? Comment your score below. For more important MCQs and exam preparation, like, share and subscribe.